Good afternoon. Today, the RBI Governor Shri Shaktikanta Dasji announced the credit policy of the RBI. In these tough times of COVID-19 and the coronavirus engulfing the world and the pandemic spreading all over, this was a tough policy to come out with, but I must say the RBI has done pretty well. Firstly, the RBI reduced the repo rate by 75 basis points to 4.4%. Similarly, they reduced the reverse repo rate by 90 basis points to 4%. This is going to prevent lazy banking by banks where they used to just park the money with RBI, as now the spread is becoming narrower and narrower and they will be inclined to be lending the money to business and industry. The RBI has clearly indicated that the GDP outlook for 1920 and 2021 will take a hit because of this disruption. Three major things which the RBI came out with to increase the liquidity in the system. Firstly, it reduced the CRR by 1% by 100 basis points to 3%, which releases 1,37,000 crores into the system. Secondly, the RBI agreed to buy bonds worth 1 lakh crores of banks at the repo rate. And out of that, 25,000 crores they said they would do by today end of day. Thirdly, there is a marginal standing facility, which is the SLR ratio, which is when banks can dip 2% into it for liquidity. This has been increased to 3%, which again releases about 1,37,000 crores into the system. So all these three measures put together releases 3,74,000 crores in liquidity into the system for banks to lend to business and industry. And this will be a great help in these stressed times. Another very good move which the RBI came out with today was that it has given banks and any lending institution the facility to give a 3 months moratorium to the business and industry for repayment of loans as well as for interest payments, and hence they can all be deferred till 30th June 2020. I think all put together in the given times, in the given circumstances, RBI has done extremely well, and let's hope that transmission happens and the liquidity improves greatly in the system. Thank you.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.